Bless up, bless up, bless up. Wagwan over Yasop on RMTV review. Hope everyone doing good as you're watching this right now. So we have coming up in the video, Foota Hype. He was basically speaking some things y'all might not know about the history with himself, Romeich and Shenseea. Before Shenseea bust out in the dancehall scene. Yes, people, so it's like Foota Hype shared some things while he was on his live with Versi. Yes, people, so we have that coming up in our video as well. Also, we're gonna speak about Spice and the Pamputtae sons target. Yeah, man, so we are gonna talk about that as well. First thing first, right here we see Jada Kingdom. Burna boy celebrate his birthday in Amsterdam amid dating rumor. So this even lead people to believe, all of that. Yes, people, it's true that Jada Kingdom and Burna boy have a little thing going on, as seen right here, he must celebrate his 32nd birthday on Sunday. The Jamaican singer seemed to be backstage at his concert in the Netherlands on Saturday following snaps she posted on Instagram where she jammed out to live music. Yes, people, so it's like Jada Kingdom spotted with Burna boy amidst the whole dating rumor, and we see the fans them are react. So her presence was confirmed when she was seen by his side at a club as he rang in his birthday with loved ones. So the fans them I gonna say, yeah, it won't look like something goes suffer true. Okay, so right about now we are gonna speak about Pamputtae and Spice. So just the other day we see Foota Hype, he was on his live and he might talk about some things. I call them out because them have sons, boy pitney, and it's like Foota Hype say they can be target based on some things where Pamputtae and Spice doing in the music. Recently we see Pamputtae perform at Toronto Pride. Spice did the show last year, and it's like we see some people even in the comment section right here after Pamputtae go put up this picture. Well, it's like the shoes, it capture a lot of fans' attention, and something similar based on where Foota Hype go put out, we see some people a comment is like, some people disapprove with that look, them feel like she has sent a subliminal message in support of the LGBT community after doing the show. So Pamputtae did defend the thing, saying that, she not care, she just a do music and all of that, and member Foota Hype did say, Pamputtae, put it out that she have to eat her food and them things there. So right here we see the fans them react after Pamputtae go put this out. Is like this person suppose a man look one of her son, how she would have deal with it? And next person right here comment saying, where you go tell your pitney them? Are this them of a proud of you? Where you go tell them? Are this a Jamaica culture? Out of order. And next person right here say, it's the shoes and the artist for me in that outfit. Is like, them love the way how Pamputtae look right here. But other from that is like some people, coming at Pamputtae for the shoes. Now, remember, me tell you the other day, after Foota Hype went live, is like, he might call out most of the female artists them in a dancehall where I do some things where him not like, you see me? For instance, the show where Pamputtae go do, the show where Spice go do, some things where Shenseea say on her interviews, So it's like Foota Hype, I call them out because most of them have boy pitney, a son them have, and it's like, Foota Hype, I say them have to look into themselves because certain things might come back around and play out in their household, so them have to be careful of some things where them are support. It's like Foota Hype, him not in support of certain fishy lifestyle, the woman thing in a music video and them things there. So Foota Hype, I call them out after Pamputtae post this. We see the fans them react, and it's like Foota Hype, I say them son can get target, whether in school or anyway, based on some things where them public figure, mom and them things that way them do. You see it? So people, we are going to leave with this live right here, with Foota Hype speaking about the whole thing, the history with himself and Shenseea, Romeich, it's like Foota Hype, I make them know, say, he play a part, you know, where all of that development is concerned. So right here, Foota Hype just big up Ramesh same way. It might make people know say Ramesh work hard and how it did start with Shenseea. So check out this right here.
I know you agree with Foota, man.
Ramesh first artist this. So who never know now.
Yeah.
And see him voice for Ramesh again and it look like it got bust now. But that's why I go on away. What do you want me do? What do you want me do? Dip in my pocket, what do you want me do?
Alright.
Jam Ratchik, what do you want me do?
Anytime we go pocket for Ramesh, you know it's a buzz, you know, because last time we go bank in a pocket.
A bank in a pocket, man.
You know, I said dip in my pocket or what?
Yes, so who be that one? A California, right?
I don't know who Billy reading, you know.
Cause either Wizard or California, Billy reading them.
People California, I mean bring him on a Ramesh, you know.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Cause remember that's the California new kids, them youth. About Q45 and Rare.
When slide that, remember slide, you never talk about their story. I saw Ramesh when up low music, maybe you never know. Slider did migrate and go live a Cayman.
Go live a foreign, me know.
Yeah.
Me know.
So Slider the musician, Ramesh say, you know, I breeze it quickly.
Yeah.
Yes, I mean, I
And I
said,
deal with.
you don't know the musician, make you breeze it, make you breeze it, so I always do it, you see me?
Yeah, and remember him did do cooking.
Then I'm find California and say California, run a Ramesh and bring him around.
Right. Yeah. And I just say thing take off real way. Cause
Right,
them Ramesh get some whole heap of hit song around there. Cause ding dong them go bring the current and TJ them and I remember say me coach Ramesh off the bus Shenseea, you know. Can they have to be a wrong thing, you know. I say, oh, then there's something that not gonna work, you know.
Yeah,
Just
like what you say, I learn Ramesh learn. When Ramesh can manage me, never me. Oh, can manage that.
Hold on, Versi, hold on.
Yeah, man?
Yeah, I mean, they get a panther son a short me.
Oh.
You see me, remember me at you now?
Yeah.
You see me, so.
Yeah. So yeah, I know. When Ramesh breathes the music quicker and then take up the promotion thing with the girls them, you find Shenseea.
Right.
Find Shenseea now.
No, let me tell them, you not tell them.
Yeah.
I them don't know that Shenseea was promotion girl first. Then, before she even do the artist thing. She an artist, but she never do artist thing around Ramesh. Then, and when she started the artist thing and him serious, same one, boss, I see him do be a wrong thing. I'm going to go around there and say, come here, Ramesh, sit down. We could have a meeting. You see that way I do? That have to stop. And you see that? I have to stop. And if you want this for work, do this and do that and do that. Ask him anywhere when I see him. I'm going to say, yo, she have to stop and make him stop, make sure the promotion work. I say, brother, them now go look up to her if she the promotion work. You know? You have to put her higher than them, you know. If she even not go continue the promotion, she have to be the manager. And she have to give the orders and a call the shot. Because the rest of the girl them now go respect her if she and them dep on the same level. And I say first thing she now no care. She need care. And your artist she need care.
Yeah.
And she don't know when me are telling them something. Because she never there. And what I like with him did listen.
No, he's a man that take advice, take good advice. Even though
He listen.
Even though
now in hype, he will cost Foota them chat too much. Big ugly black boy there. But he's still a listen. He's still a listen.
No. You have to tell the truth too. Ramesh, a man who cost long.
No. But me I tell you, say, no, it's worse. But he might listen. He's still a cussing. But he might listen. Yeah. But him ego and him want him team know say him a the man. Yo, Foota them chat too much, man. I treat him now suck pussy make him chat so much. We are baiting. See? And then him still listen. Yeah. But him fi tell the people them say me coach him for make Shenseea bust the real way. Because him there to be a thing where him not understand perception. You can't have she and them do the same work and think them all look up to her.